Hi, this is Dr. Inky Parrack talking about some of the things you can do to contribute to your vascular health. I get a lot of questions about what can I do at this point other than taking medications and other than undergoing surgery to improve my health. The biggest component is exercise and diet, as we all know. This is not as simple as we say. So let's first attack diet. What does dieting mean? It doesn't mean that you have to change something very drastic. When we do something that makes us unhappy, it is not going to last. I think the ideal diet for a lot of different people is probably veganism. I've only tried it for about a week at a time because I was very hungry and had to eat about 7 times a day in order to keep myself up. It is not something that's compatible to my day-to-day. So veganism, something that's sustainable to my health, well, it would be great if I can, but it is not something that I can sustain. So then what should you do? You should change one little thing at a time. If cutting out processed foods is something you think you can do, let's cut that out. If you think you can take less sugar, let's cut that out. If you think that you can go without eating hot dogs, then let's get rid of it. So one little thing at a time, I think that gets you to better health. Let's talk about the second component, exercise. Contrary to a lot of belief, all these hard exercises, they don't necessarily have huge contributions to vascular health when it comes to documented trials. What has repeatedly been shown to be beneficial is walking. Surprisingly, it's very simple, but it is not that easy to do here in Florida. Some of the things you can do is walk before it gets hot, walk after the sun goes down. Some of the options that my patients have taken advantage of is going to the mall. Walking around the mall is very helpful, and walking around inside the swimming pool can also help you significantly. Not only you're able to walk in a cool environment, when you're walking in the swimming pool, not only take advantage of the fact that your muscles are working extra hard, but at the same time, you're taking advantage of the fact that you don't have to worry about balancing issues. So in summary, do something that's simple, do something that you can on a day-to-day basis.